empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get
Behold the dawn of a new era in high-performance motoring. The much-awaited successor to the legendary Aventador has finally arrived, and it's called the Lamborghini Revuelto. This sleek and agile two-seat supercar from Lamborghini is touted as the near future of motoring. Although the Revuelto features a 6.5-liter Lamborghini V12 engine, it's an entirely new powertrain that's both lighter and more potent than its predecessor. The engine generates 813 horsepower at a stunning 9,250 RPM and an impressive 535 pound-feet of torque, all without requiring any turbochargers. On the hybrid front, there are 2 electric motors powering the front wheels and a third motor mounted within the 8-speed wet dual-clutch gearbox, a first for Lamborghini. This unique layout means the motor is transversely mounted behind the engine instead of in front, providing space for a petite 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack in the former transmission tunnel. The diminutive battery pack may not have a lot of juice, but it's sufficient to power the Revuelto in all-electric mode for approximately 6 miles. It's also small enough for the engine to recharge it in just 6 minutes. While this feature isn't designed for fuel efficiency, it serves as an excellent performance supplement to the engine, while offering zero-emissions operation to access areas where engine bans may be in place. With all-wheel drive capability, the Revuelto delivers a staggering 1,001 horsepower to the ground, or a feather-light 180 horsepower in EV mode, with the front e-axle and transmission-mounted electric motor providing zero-emissions all-wheel drive. Performance-wise, the Revuelto is a marvel, reaching 62 miles per hour in a mere 2.5 seconds and 124 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds. At top speed, this latest Lambo can exceed 217 miles per hour. When cruising quietly through town, drivers can select all-electric mode if the battery is fully charged. The Lamborghini Revuelto's design is not merely a fantastical venture, but rather a calculated approach to engineering. The placement of side fins located behind the front wheels is intended to channel air into the intakes situated along the concave of the door. Meanwhile, the recessed roof facilitates the passage of air to the rear wing while also providing additional headroom for passengers. The front splitter serves to redirect air away from the front wheels, while the rear diffuser, which is the wildest ever employed on a Lambo, creates downforce and simultaneously cools the engine. Additionally, the active rear wing adjusts automatically as required or can be manually controlled to toggle between 3 modes for maximum or minimum downforce. In addition to selectable brake regeneration, the Revuelto also boasts carbon ceramic brakes at each corner. 10 piston front calipers grip onto 16.1-inch discs, while 4 piston calipers and 15.4-inch discs are utilized at the rear. Lamborghini claims that the Revuelto is 61% more efficient and generates 66% more downforce in high-load situations compared to the Aventador Ultimate. This will undoubtedly place a strain on its custom-made Bridgestone Potenza sport tires, which are staggered to measure 265/35 R20 in front and 345/30 R21 at the rear. There is also a larger wheel and tire combination available, featuring 265/30 R21 at the front and 355/25 R22 at the rear. Additionally, there are 400 different color options available for the exterior. The interior features 3 digital screens that stand out. Although none of them are particularly large, the driver is presented with a 12.3-inch digital display, accompanied by a very modest 8.4-inch portrait screen situated in the middle. On the other hand, the passenger is offered a narrow 9.1-inch screen, which is capable of displaying vital vehicle information. All 3 screens can be swiped to share information, and Lamborghini emphasizes the role of the passenger as a co-pilot, with the driver free to concentrate on driving. With 7 drive settings, each with various sub-functions, there are a total of 13 modes to choose from, allowing for a highly personalized driving experience. Lamborghini intends to launch the Revuelto as a 2024 model year in the United States towards the end of the year, with pricing yet to be announced. The Lamborghini Revuelto is sure to captivate the hearts and minds of those in the market for an exceptional supercar, with its awe-inspiring design, top-of-the-line features, and superior performance.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.